Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your earpads on your Sony's XM4s. So to replace the earpads, it's actually quite a simple process. You got your right side and your left side, and all you need to do this simple repair is just a pry tool. We do sell these on our website. If you don't have one of your own, the link will be in the description below. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove these earpads. What I like to do is I like to pry it right from the middle. You don't want to go too low because there are clips in these earpads and you do not want to break them while you pry them. However, it doesn't really matter since we're going to go ahead and replace these with the original color. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the pry tool right in between the earpad and the housing, and we're just gonna lightly pry up like so. When you pry up, it should pop off its first clip and just go around once you pry the first two clips. You can go ahead and do the rest by hand like so. Remove the right side, go ahead, set that aside. And we're going to go ahead and do the same to the left side. Once you pop the first clip open, you can go ahead and use your hand to gently pull and remove the other earpad. We're going to go ahead and set this aside. Now, when you install the new earpads, the left side will always have this little dimple, because there is the noise canceling feature that is located on this side. You're going to want to go ahead and match it up. So if you notice on the earpad, there are pins also located on the earpad, and there's little divots and holes where those pins go. So if you line them up, you can't really go wrong there. You just go ahead and place them into place. And right on the ends of the earpads, you're just going to lightly push down and you should hear it clip in. We're just going to go all around, make sure that all the clips are connected. And what you can do is you can do like a little pull test. Go ahead and give the earpad a yank, see if it pops up. Looks like we are good to go on the left side. Once we are done on the left side, we're going to go ahead and follow the same steps. On the right side, we got some pins that stick up, and we got the little divots, the holes for the pins. So we're going to want to make sure that when we place the earpad, that this pin right here goes in there. So we're going to go ahead and line it up like so, close it, and go ahead and push on the ends until you hear a click. Then you know that the earpad is secured to the housing. Once that is complete, go ahead, give it a tug. If it's not popping off, that means you have properly secured and fastened the earpads into place, and you are good to rock. And that is how you replace your earpads on your Sony's WH-1000XM4s.